students. In this video we are going to see about behavior of magnetic materials. Basically, the magnetic materials are classified on the basis of presence of magnetic dipole moments in materials. A charged particle with angular momentum always contributes to permanent magnetic dipole moment. Orbital magnetic dipole moment, electron spin magnetic moment, nuclear spin magnetic moment. In any atom, several electrons revolve in a circular orbit around the nucleus. The orbital state of motion of electron in an atom is described with quantum numbers n, l and ml. N is principal quantum number which determines energy of an electron. L is orbital quantum number which determines angular moment of orbit. ml is magnetic quantum number which determines component of magnetic moment along the direction of external field. The angular moment of an electron is called spin of an electron. As an electron is charged particle, the spin of electron produces magnetic dipole moment. Nuclear spin contributes to the magnetic moment called nuclear spin magnetic moment. On the basis of magnetic behavior, the magnetic materials are classified as diamagnetic, paramagnetic and ferromagnetic. The magnetic materials are those material in which a state of magnetization can be induced. Such material when magnetized create a magnetic field in the surrounding space. First one is diamagnet. It is a substance which create a magnetic field in opposite to an externally applied field. The magnetic material in which the orbital magnet moment and electron spin magnetic moment cancel each other, making net permanent magnetic momentum of each atom zero, called diamagnet materials. Materials which lack permanent dipoles are called diamagnetic materials. In diamagnet, susceptibility is negative. These have relative permeability slightly less than unity. They repulse the line of force slightly. Susceptibility is less than 0 or negative. Permanent dipoles are absent. Temperature independent. Linear magnetic materials. When placed inside a magnetic field, magnetic lines of force are repelled. They repel the lines of force slightly. These are the properties of diamagnetic. Some of the examples of diamagnetic are bismuth, silver, copper, hydrogen, lead, silicon and diamond. Next one is paramagnetic. Each electron in an orbit has an orbital magnetic moment and spin magnetic moment. They do not cancel each other. So, it is a substance or body which very weakly attracted by the poles of a magnet but do not retaining any permanent magnetism. These have relative permeability slightly greater than unity and are magnetized slightly. Linear magnetic materials, permanent magnetic dipoles are present. It depends the temperature, and in the absence of external applied field, the dipoles are randomly oriented. Hence, net magnetization is 0. Spin alignment is random. Permanent dipole do not interact themselves. They attract the lines of force weakly. Some of the examples of paramagnetism is aluminium, calcium and oxygen and air, tungsten, platinum and all. Next one is ferromagnetic materials. A type of material that is highly attracted to the magnet and can become permanently magnetized is called as ferromagnetic. The relative permeability is much greater than unity and are dependent on the field strength. Spin alignment is parallel, non-linear. It possesses large permanent dipole moment. Due to the special form of interaction called exchange coupling between adjacent atoms, even in the absence of external applied field, exhibits strong magnetization. They have high susceptibility. They lose their properties when temperature is raised. Some of the examples for ferromagnetic materials are iron, nickel, cobalt and are such materials. Magnetically soft material. They have high permeability. The magnetic energy stored is not high and negligibly coercive force. They have low remanence. Hysteresis lupus narrow. Some of the examples are pure or ignite iron, cast iron, carbon steel, manganese and nickel steel, etc. Magnetically hard material. The magnetically hard material possess high value of BH product, high retentivity, high corrosivity, strong magnetic reluctance, high hysteresis loop is more rectangular in shape. Some of the examples are tungsten steel, cobalt steel, chromium steel, etc. The applications of different magnetic materials. Ferromagnetic materials are used in magnetic recording devices such as cassette tapes, floppy disk for computer, and the magnetic strip on the back of credit cards. Diamagnetic materials are used for magnetic levitation, where an object will be made to float in or above a strong magnet. Magnetic soft materials are used in making electromagnet, and these electromagnets are used in telephone receiver, bells, loudspeaker, etc. Magnetic hard materials are used in making permanent magnets. Thank you.